Hey everyone, welcome back to J&K Infotech CyberHub, where we make cybersecurity simple and practical. Today, let's uncover one of the most dangerous online scams, phishing, and how to stay safe in 2025. What is phishing? Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers trick you into revealing personal information by pretending to be a trusted source, like a bank, online service, or even your workplace. Real-life examples. Let me show you how it works. Phishing example 1, fake PayPal gift card email. Let's look at a real phishing attempt targeting someone with a fake PayPal gift card offer. Notice the strange sender address, team support someone ... at questionprof771132.com. It's not from a verified PayPal domain. The email claims you've won a $1,000 gift card, but you must confirm your info first. That's a trap. It uses urgency like 2 days left. Hurry up to pressure you into clicking. Always pause, check the sender, and never click links in suspicious emails like this. This is a classic example of a phishing scam in 2025. Example 2, fake package delivery notification. Here's another real-world phishing scam, a fake package delivery email. It claims your package is stuck due to unpaid shipping fees and urges you to schedule delivery now. Notice there's no company name, and the shipping fee is listed as $0, which makes no sense. This is designed to trick you into clicking a malicious link and entering your personal or banking info. This type of scam plays on urgency and confusion, hoping you act quickly without thinking. Example 3, phishing scam disguised as a job offer. Hi, I'm the HR manager at Seek. Next, we have this text message from someone claiming to be an HR manager at Seek, offering $100 to $200 per day. For 15 minutes of work? Yeah, that's a huge red flag. Let's break it down. It's coming from an iCloud email address, not from Seek's official domain. The job involves Bitcoin ATMs and asks you to contact them on Telegram. And the pay is just unrealistically high. This is a job scam, and if you reply, they might ask for your ID, banking info, or even money upfront. Stay far away. These kinds of messages are designed to create urgency or tempt you with easy money. Whether it's a package delivery or a job offer, the goal is the same: get your data, get your money, disappear. How to spot and avoid phishing. Here's how to stay safe. Check the email sender. Fake addresses often look legit at a glance. Don't click on suspicious links. Hover over them to preview the real URL. Look for spelling and grammar mistakes. Most phishing messages are poorly written. Never share personal info via email or SMS. Use two-factor authentication, for extra security. Install anti-phishing tools and browser extensions for alerts. Phishing scams are evolving every year, but if you stay informed and cautious, you can avoid becoming a victim. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like, share, and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech and cybersecurity content every day on J&K Infotech CyberHub. Comment below if you've ever seen a phishing message. We'd love to hear your experience.